Hi, my name is Mike Randall, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a landing page that converts using free software. The product we're going to promote is Super Sales Machine. It's a clickbank offer. Aaron Danker is the product creator, and he specializes in master resale and public label rights products and set up for you. The software that we're using for the landing page is called Composer. And right now I'm going to take you to the website, show you where to download it. Hold on one second. Be right back. Here we are in the Composer site. It's composer.net/download.php. This is the official Composer website. And when you come to the site, all you have to really do is download Composer right from this link. If this is for Windows, and there's also one for Apple, I believe, on this site. Okay, now we're going to open up the WYSIWYG and get going on this. Hold on, please. Okay, here's Composer. I've already opened it up for you. It's a blank screen, as you can see. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to insert a table. We go to Table, click Table, insert. Oops, if I can get it here. Insert table. There we go. As you can see, there's you can set up a fairly large page here with a lot of columns, just depending on what you're doing. But for our simple landing page, we're just going to use one column. So you click the corner column there, and you can see a landing page. I mean a cell open up here. So the next step is to right click on the cell and go to table cell properties. Okay, when you get to table cell properties, go to table. I like to use a border of 5 pixels. It really establishes the landing page from the background. And we're going to make the landing page 800 pixels. So we're going to change this percent of window, if I can get it here, pixels to pixels. And we're going to change this to 800 pixels width. Table alignment, we're going to center it. And that's all we're going to do in table. Go to cells. I pick the background color, which is white. That's for the cell. Hit OK. Apply. Okay. Alright, that's the start of our landing page. The next thing we're going to do is make this background here, this big white background, we're going to make this a different color. So we go to Format, then we go to Page Colors and Background. Use Custom Colors, and you see right here the background is white. We're going to change that, so you click on the white. I like to use a gray background. It's just a real nice neutral color. You can use anything you want. Blue works good, really good too on it for landing pages. You can even put an image back here for your background. And here's your background image here. If you want to put a background image in, you click this file, this folder, choose a file, choose your image, upload it, and you'd have a picture in the background. Okay. All right. There's your landing page. I mean, there's your there's your landing page. It's kind of a skinny one. All right. Click inside the box here, and then take on your PC, hit enter, and bring it down. and we're going to start typing. I'm going to put the video on hold and I'll grab the text. Okay, I've got the text. Click inside the cell again. Go to center. Put your cursor center. And then I'm going to start typing. Oops, one more thing on the font. For the title, we're going to use impact. We'll go to variable width. Click variable width. Go down to input. Impact. GI. Impact. There we go. Impact is a really black standout type of font, and you don't need to bold it because it's already black enough. Get 95 products professionally. Set up. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and finish typing this, and then we'll make it a little bigger. Save time. Okay, I finished typing. I'm going to highlight and go up to the you see the two A's there? This will make the font size smaller, and this will make the font size larger. We can make it fairly large so they'll see it. Okay. Now we can, like you saw on the sales page, they had, I believe, from 96 master resale and private labelized products, they had a highlight, a yellow highlight. If you want to highlight, there's a little, like a highlight pen right here. It says choose highlight color for text. Click that. We're doing a yellow highlighter. Make it darker. Nice yellow. There we go. Hit OK. And click off of it. There you go. 96 master resale and private label. It stands out. Okay. Now put your cursor at the end of the free. Hit enter a couple of times. Alright, now we're going to upload the image, the center image. So we go to image, click the little file there, and I'm uploading a screenshot. Hold on one second, I have to fix something. Click open, and there's the image preview right there. Click don't use alternate text. Hit OK, and boom, there's the image. So get 95 products professionally set up for you. These are part of the 95 products. It's kind of a preview of the products. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is put a header up on top there, which we haven't done yet. So we're going to bring this down a little bit. Click up here on the top, hit center, and I'm going to insert HTML. I'm going to grab the HTML. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Right now I'm gonna put the header in on top. I want to show you where I had the headers on this text file. Everything that's the way to do it is when you go to the affiliate site, put everything on a text file, like the HTML for your banners, the text, anything you want to use in your promotion. Right here. So everything here is There's my affiliate link, and then the banner. So I'll copy this, and go up to Insert, HTML, paste the HTML in the box, hit Insert. Okay, there's your header. That's clickable right now. My affiliate link is embedded in the banner. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is put the text on the bottom, and that was the +++ text. Plus, let me put it on pause and I'll finish the typing out the text. Okay, I finished typing the text. What I'm going to do is highlight the text, go up to variable width again, and this font that we're going to use for the text is called Tahoma. Tahoma is a really nice font to use in all your text except for the title. If I can find it, Tahoma, right there. We'll bold it. We're going to try to get this on one line, so I think we're just going to make it just a little smaller. Yeah. Now we're going to try to match the sales page on this text. They had this highlighted in red. So we'll take the highlighter tool, we'll pick a red, okay, and then we'll pick the, if we did it now it wouldn't show up because it wouldn't show up very well because it's a black text, so we'll change the text color to white, okay, click off, and it's highlighted. I think it looks pretty nice. We need to click off on it, bring it down, center it, and then we have some more text that we want to put in. 66 instant niche. I'm going to go ahead and pause it again. Finish typing. Okay, I've got it typed out. I'm going to highlight it and go up to the B there and bold it. Go up to A, make it just a little bigger. Variable width. Didn't stay on Tahoma, so I have to go back down and pick Tahoma again. Tahoma. You want the same text because it'll match a lot better. All right, then click after bonus, hit enter on your PC, bring it down. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again to get this text set up. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're going to tell the people to click this banner below to get started. Click this banner below to get started. And highlight that. We'll change the color to blue. Okay. Highlight it again. We're going to bold it. It's already bolded. Let me check that blue color again. Make it a little darker. I don't think this is right, is it? It's supposed to be the. Click the banner below to get started. Okay. Now what we need is something to show the people where to go from here. So I have a image, an arrow image pointing down to the banner, and that's what we're going to do next. We're going to go to image, and we'll go to the folder again. Go to the arrow image. Open the arrow image. Again, don't use alternate text. Hit OK. Okay, there's your arrow. We could bring that down just a little bit. I think also we could make this just a little larger. And then click below that. And we're going to insert the banner now. Main banner is right here. Copy that. Go to insert again, HTML. There's another banner. Insert. That didn't look good, did it? So we're going to delete that. What you have to watch are these cursors. It's over here on the left hand side. We want this below it. Okay, go back to insert HTML. There we go. Nice big banner. And that's basically the landing page. They can click here and go. We could even, if we wanted to, we could make this live, and they could click anywhere on this. Like I said, if I click this banner like this, go up the image, go up the link, and to put my affiliate link in, which I could do that right now. I mean, then everything on here just about is clickable. Go up to my affiliate link. You don't have to. You can use the full affiliate link. This is hidden anyway. Copy. Paste. We can also show a border around the linked image, which kind of highlights it. Okay, hit OK. Now that's clickable. And there's a border. You see a little black border around it. All right. That ends this little lesson on a landing page. I hope you enjoyed it. The next video I do, I'm going to upload. Well, actually, I'm going to finish. I'm going to put this on hold. 1 second. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is save this in that file that we have our images in. It's our super sales page file. So we go to File, Save As, Save As. Please enter a title for the current page. This identifies the page in the window title and bookmarks. So we want to put in our, oops, that's not right. Hold on, let me get this back. Okay, here we go. Super Sales Machine. Okay. I'm going to again put the video on hold. Okay, I just had to find the file, the Super Sales Machine file, and bring that up. I'm going to go ahead and save the file. Okay, it is saved. I can close it. I'm going to go ahead and... Okay, I'm back in the Super Sales Machine file. This is the HTML that I just saved, and what I'm going to do is rename it to index, and I'll show you why when we go over to FileZilla. I'll show you why. I'm going to put the video on hold again. Okay, the second software that we are going to be using for this promotion is FileZilla. FileZilla. Hold on, let me find the FileZilla file. Okay, we'll go to the FileZilla site. This is where you download FileZilla. It's a free FTP solution. FileZilla is a powerful open source FTP. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. It includes a site manager to store all your connection details, and as well as it has an Explorer style interface that shows the local and remote folders, and it can be customized independently. A nice program for beginners and very experienced marketers alike. It has quick download links. This is the official website, FileZilla project/project.org, and again, just quick download right here. Download to your free download. What we'll do next, we will go to FileZilla, open FileZilla up, and this is what it looks like. I don't need it pull out here. We can do this. Now what you see here, this is your computer on this side. Okay, on this side, this is your computer server. As you can see here, it says not connected to any server. Now, what I do on mine's all set up to go, and when you first get this, you may have to put in your host name, your username, your password, and your port, and do a quick connect. Then you get all this information from your server. Okay, my information is already in my site manager. Here's my site. All my host is right here. The protocol is the FTP file transfer protocol, and location type, my username, and my password. It's all ready to go, and I can do this real fast because of that. And just hit connect, and the computer site will start to populate. And there is my files. Not the computer side. This is your computer side is right here on the left. This is the server side. This is where you upload all your files. You upload them in the public HTML folder. Click that. Okay, you can see I have a lot of files here. I'm going down to see if I have a super sales machine. I don't. So what I'm going to do is go back up to the top right here, around this little file thing right here, right click it, and then create directory. Okay, I'm making a new directory called super sales. Kind of shorten it, super sales. Okay, now you go down here to the super sales. Right there. Okay, empty directory lifting. Then I go over to the computer side, which I already found my file. It's right, super sales machine right here. And I'm going to upload. Really, the only thing I have to upload right now is the images. You right click, upload. You can also drag it over and upload. And down here on the bottom, this section here lets you know where you're at, the percentages that it's loading. (84, 82.4% on the images take a while. Okay, the image is in. Alright, the index didn't go when I drag it over. So I'm going to right click the image, the index, hit upload. Okay, and that's in. Alright. Upload the arrow image. That's in. Alright. Now we should be live. I'm going to go ahead and check it. I'm going to put the video on hold. Okay. Back on my PC, I'm going to type in my website. My car home business. And then that folder I just made, super sales. Hit enter. And here it is. My images, I'll tell you what, my images did not go, and I know why. So I'm going to put it on hold and I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, what we're going to do is open up Composer, run. Go to File. And open file, open index. Now these images, neither one of these images is showing up, so what you do is click the image, you go to image, see what you see here. You get the file and you got all this, a lot of other stuff in here. You got everything on the computer up here. All you need really is the actual image, screenshot. Screenshot. Wait. Screenshot 800 pixels.jpg. That's what we're going to do. Okay. And the same with my arrows. Right there, the arrow down is all we need. Arrow down, 5 ping. Okay. Then you go up and you save it. Those should work. I'm going to put the video on hold. Okay. We'll go back to FileZilla. And you need to click off of, on your computer side, you need to click off of it. Oops. Super Sales Machine. Open back up and take your index and upload it again. And then it'll say your target file already exists. The target file exists. What this will do will just overwrite it. Action, overwrite. Say OK. Go up to your landing page. Reload the page. And there it is. That's complete. And this is live. If I click this, it should go right to the sales page. And there's the sales page. That's a winner. That's how you do it. That's how you make it live. I'm going to do another video after this one, and I'm going to take this and upload it to a YouTube. So that would be a very interesting video. So I'll talk to you guys later.